Have you considered there are specific methods to integrate spiritual awakening and transformative experiences that not only integrate these experiences, but assist with processing and progress? In the Spiritual Awakening and Transformative Experience Spectrum video blog part 2, you can learn 13 different methods to integrate and process, as well as progress with your spiritual awakening and transformative experiences. You can also learn what hinders spiritual awakening and transformative experiences integration and what impairs the process. And there are 5 reasons a person may elect, consciously or unconsciously, to slow spiritual awakening and transformative experiences. Plus, discover 7 additional methods to accelerate spiritual awakening and transformative experiences for advancement and evolution. Go to Transformational Wisdom, the video blog at Transformational Wisdom. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell to stay tuned for the latest content.